Hi, I am a student from Harmony School of Innovation Sugarland, and welcome to my STEMSOS Level 2 project, Muscle Fatigue and Grip Strength. Today I'll show how repeated muscle use affects grip strength over time, and why this matters both in science and around the world. For this project, I tested how muscle fatigue impacts grip strength using a simulated hand dynamometer. First, I recorded a baseline grip strength with no prior exertion of any force. Then I had my test subject squeeze the dynamometer as hard as they could for very short bursts, repeating these pulses of grip strength across multiple trials. My hypothesis was that if a person continuously squeezes a hand dynamometer without resting, then their grip strength will decrease over time due to muscle fatigue. And that's exactly what happened. Muscle fatigue happens when muscles lose strength from repeated use without rest. This is caused by biochemical factors like lactic acid buildup and the depletion of ATP, which is the energy that cells produce. I plotted grip strength over time and noticed a steady decline, especially between trials 2 and 3. This showed a fatigue threshold where strength dropped sharply. Math came in when I was graphing the data, analyzing trends, and comparing results over time. But most of the graphing was done by the Vernier graphical analysis software. Throughout this project, I kept a daily science journal to reflect on my process. For example, on day 4, I wrote, my rapid gripping exercises showed more inconsistency in strength, and fatigue increased significantly. Writing helped me better understand the experiment by organizing my thoughts and analyzing patterns I might have missed otherwise. In social studies, we learned that grip strength varies around the world based on geography, lifestyle, and culture. In colder regions like Russia or Scandinavia, people develop stronger grip strength from using tools in harsh climates. In countries with more manual labor, like parts of South Asia or Africa, workers build endurance through physical effort on a daily basis, which happens to cause a less significant um, muscle fatigue. Meanwhile, in urbanized areas, grip strength may decline due to more sedentary lifestyles and a lack of need for manual labor. Understanding global patterns made me realize how science, culture, and economics are connected. Grip strength isn't just useful in the lab, it's important in physical therapy, sports, occupational safety, and even in healthcare screenings. For athletes, strong grip helps prevent injury, and for older adults, it can indicate overall muscle health. And in emergency medicine, weak grip might signal serious conditions. This is my table that displays the different trials, the time that each trial took, the, the grip strength that was exerted, how that grip strength changed between trials, and the um, pulse rate of the individual across the trials. These are the graphs that display the pulse test, where the test subject would exert a short burst of force on the hand dynamometer. As you can see, the peaks of these um, get smaller and smaller over time. And this was the consistent test where the test subject squeezed the hand dynamometer as hard as they could for 30 seconds. And you can see how the force decreased over time due to muscle fatigue. Thank you for watching. Harmony School of Innovation Sugarland signing off.